something that happens after all the plans we made. There may be something lacking, doesn't always give and take. As we wander through our life, we try to win with all our might. There should be answers along the way, so pay attention, don't miss a day. The next day it's raining, overcast and cloudy. I learned and now I see life won't always work for me. The next day it's raining, suddenly begins to pour. I'm not even out the door. I never ask for more. Well, I think it's gone too far. Will it crush my shooting star? Can I stand the ups and downs? Will my fate still touch the ground? The next day it's raining, over clouds and clouds.